Foundations of Engineering Management. Introduction to the module. In today's fast-paced industries, engineering managers are at the forefront, ensuring that projects meet technical, financial, and time constraints while fostering innovation and collaboration. By mastering these skills, engineering managers drive the success of their teams and organizations, ensuring they remain competitive and forward-thinking. This module helps you understand the fundamental aspects of engineering management, exploring what it entails, the responsibilities of an engineering manager, and how to transition successfully from an engineer to a managerial role. Learning objectives. By the end of this module, you will be able to understand the role of an engineering manager and its key responsibilities, break down the essential tasks into small chunks, navigate the shift from engineer to manager with clarity and confidence, master the art of running productive, goal-driven meetings that inspire collaboration and results, spot common pitfalls in engineering management and strategies to avoid them. What is engineering management? Engineering management is a specialized discipline that merges technical proficiency with leadership and oversight to manage engineering projects, teams, and processes. It bridges the gap between engineering and business, ensuring that technical initiatives align seamlessly with organizational objectives. At its essence, engineering management involves meticulous planning, coordinating, and supervision of engineering endeavors, while optimizing resources such as time, budget, and talent. Distinct from conventional management roles, an engineering manager must possess not only a deep technical understanding, but also a keen strategic vision to drive innovation and ensure the successful delivery of projects that advance the company's goals. Key responsibilities of an engineering manager. An engineering manager's role extends beyond managing technical projects. It involves leading teams, driving innovation, and ensuring that engineering efforts align with broader business goals and organizational vision. This includes fostering collaboration, optimizing workflows, maintaining operational efficiency, and facilitating knowledge sharing across teams. The manager is also responsible for strategic planning, performance reviews, resource allocation, mentoring team members, and driving continuous improvement initiatives to enhance both individual and team capabilities. Additionally, they must ensure that projects are completed on time, within budget, and meet quality standards. Daily, weekly, and yearly responsibilities. Effective leadership requires managing daily, weekly, and yearly tasks while employing strategies for productive meetings that ensure clear communication, accountability, and alignment with organizational objectives. Daily responsibilities. The engineering manager leads daily stand-ups to assess progress, assign tasks based on strengths and priorities, and address obstacles. The manager resolves technical and interpersonal issues primarily, ensuring smooth operations and monitoring progress to maintain momentum. Clear communication with the team and stakeholders keeps updates, expectations, and priorities aligned. The manager makes quick, informed decisions to ensure the project stays on track without compromising quality. Weekly responsibilities. An engineering manager aligns the team's efforts with organizational goals and enhances performance. They lead weekly status meetings to evaluate progress and reassess goals. Through one-on-one meetings, the manager provides guidance, resolves obstacles, and fosters growth. They monitor project timelines, budgets, and deliverables, identifying risks, and crafting mitigation strategies to stay on track. The manager maintains communication with stakeholders and senior management, providing progress updates. They ensure resources, personnel, tools, or training are effectively allocated to meet needs. By balancing operational and strategic tasks, the manager drives performance while aligning objectives with organizational priorities. Yearly responsibilities. These focus on strategic growth, team development, and long-term success. The way to maintain yearly responsibilities is as follows. Performance reviews. Conduct annual performance appraisals, providing detailed feedback and setting goals. Strategic planning. Collaborate with leadership to align goals with the organization's vision. Budget and resource forecasting. Define budgets and resource needs to support upcoming projects. Team development, organizing training programs to upskill team members and recruiting new talent to address skill gaps. Innovation and improvement. Identify opportunities for process optimization, introducing new methodologies. Managing and leading meetings effectively. As an engineering manager, leading effective meetings is essential for communication, decision-making, and aligning teams with project goals. Well-organized meetings foster collaboration and productivity. To ensure success, follow these strategies. Set a clear purpose. Define the meeting's objective. For example, updates, problem-solving, brainstorming, and share a detailed agenda. Keep discussions on track. Facilitate conversations, manage time, and encourage participation from all members. Follow up. Summarize key points, decisions, action items, responsibilities, and deadlines. Drive outcomes. Focus on actionable results to ensure clarity, progress, and team alignment. Transitioning from engineer to manager. Transitioning from engineer to manager is more than a change in title. It's a fundamental shift in responsibilities, mindset, and approach. This journey involves moving from executing technical tasks to guiding and enabling others to achieve collective goals. Success as an engineering manager depends on mastering leadership and communication, two critical areas that influence team performance and organizational outcomes. By focusing on these aspects, managers can navigate their new role effectively while fostering collaboration and building trust. Adopting a leadership mindset. Transitioning to management requires a shift from solving problems independently to empowering teams to achieve success. Developing a leadership mindset means focusing on collaboration, emotional intelligence, and strategic thinking. Managers must prioritize the growth and development of their teams while stepping back from purely technical roles. Effective delegation plays a key role here, ensuring tasks are distributed appropriately while building trust and accountability. Navigating this mindset shift lays the foundation for strong, people-focused leadership. Strengthening communication and collaboration. Clear and effective communication is essential for engineering managers, as they act as the bridge between technical teams and business stakeholders. Translating complex ideas for diverse audiences ensures alignment across the organization. Collaboration extends beyond the immediate team, requiring managers to build strong relationships with cross-functional groups such as product and design teams. By fostering mutual trust and maintaining open lines of communication, managers create an environment where projects run smoothly and objectives are met efficiently. Common pitfalls and how to avoid them. Engineering managers face a range of challenges that can hinder both their performance and that of their teams. Common pitfalls such as ineffective delegation, poor communication, neglecting team development, and failing to maintain work-life balance can undermine project success and team morale. Recognizing these issues early and addressing them with proactive strategies is essential for fostering a productive, efficient, and motivated team. By learning to avoid these traps, managers can maintain alignment with organizational goals while ensuring sustainable success. Failing to delegate effectively. Managers often fail to delegate properly, taking on too much or micromanaging, which leads to burnout, inefficiency, and lower productivity. By assigning tasks based on team strengths and skills, managers prevent overload, reduce stress, and give team members ownership of their work, fostering a greater sense of responsibility and motivation. Poor communication. Poor communication can cause misalignment, confusion, and missed deadlines, affecting project success. Managers must ensure regular check-ins, clear guidance, and open channels for feedback to keep the team aligned, address issues early, and build trust while promoting collaboration and ensuring everyone is aware of goals. Neglecting team development. Neglecting team development harms performance. Engineering managers must invest in training, mentoring, and career growth to avoid stagnation, disengagement, and low morale. Providing learning opportunities fosters success, continuous improvement, and keeps the team motivated for new challenges. Neglecting work-life balance. Engineering managers may feel pressured to be always available, but neglecting work-life balance can cause burnout and reduced productivity. It's crucial to set boundaries and encourage breaks to maintain a sustainable rhythm. Promoting a healthy balance fosters a positive environment where team members remain engaged and productive. Understanding team dynamics and building credibility. Effective team leadership relies on understanding team dynamics and building credibility. Team dynamics encompass the interactions, relationships, and behaviors that shape how a team collaborates and achieves goals. Strong team dynamics lead to improved productivity and alignment with objectives. Building credibility is equally important, as it fosters trust and respect. When team members believe in their leader's reliability and integrity, they are more committed to shared goals. Successful leadership cultivates both team dynamics and credibility through consistent actions, communication, and ethical decision-making. Fostering strong team dynamics. Team dynamics describe the patterns of interaction, relationships, and behaviors within a team that impact how members work together, communicate, and achieve shared objectives. To foster strong dynamics, consider the following strategies. Leverage individual strengths. Assign tasks based on unique abilities, preferences, and growth opportunities. Monitor team interactions. Identify and address potential barriers to ensure seamless collaboration. Provide constructive feedback. Deliver specific, actionable insights regularly to align efforts and maintain focus. Promote open communication. Foster transparency to address conflicts early and strengthen mutual understanding. Core principles of building credibility. Building credibility means earning the trust and respect of your team through consistent actions, reliable communication, and ethical behavior. It fosters strong professional relationships and strengthens your influence as a manager. Focus on these key principles: fairness and transparency. Be consistent in decisions and processes. Integrity. Uphold ethical standards in all interactions. Positive work culture. Value contributions and create a safe space for learning from mistakes. Approachability. Actively listen and encourage open dialogue. Swift action on concerns. Address issues promptly to maintain trust and morale. Highlights from this module. Engineering management aligns technical expertise with strategic goals through effective planning and coordination. Successful managers balance technical and leadership roles, focusing on collaboration and innovation. Productive meetings require clear purpose, focus, and actionable follow-ups to drive progress. Transitioning to management involves delegation, communication, and adopting a leadership mindset. Avoid pitfalls like poor delegation, weak communication, and neglecting team growth to maintain efficiency. Thank you. You have successfully made it to the end of this module.